Army Special Force are considered most versatile special operation force in the entire world, operating multi-purpose force since 1952. First Cavalry Division of M1 Abrams tanks during the training exercise Germany. Armor branch trace history back to interstate cavalry are responsible tank of the cavalry reconnaissance operation. US Army field M1 Abrams tank during the training exercise in Germany. Armor branch trace history back to interstate cavalry are responsible tank cavalry reconnaissance operation. US Army field M1 Abrams main battle tank armored battalion as part of armor brigade compact team across 1st Armor Division, 1st Cavalry Division, 1st Infantry Division, 3rd Infantry Division and 4th Infantry Division. Each armor brigade compact team also possesses cavalry squadron equipped with M2 Bradley's fast scouting and security striker brigade compact team from 2nd Infantry Division, 4th Infantry Division, 11th Airborne Division, 2nd Cavalry Regiment, 3rd Cavalry Regiment have the cavalry squadron equipped with the strikers infantry brigade compact team from the 10th Mountain Division, 11th Airborne Division, 25th Infantry Division, 82nd Airborne Division, 101 1st Division and Airborne Division of 173 at the Airborne Brigade have cavalry squadron equipped with a joint light tactical vehicle. Field artillery mission destroy, suppress and neutralize enemy cannon, rocket or missile fire. Rocketry system include the M142, HIMARS and M270 multiple launch rocket system which are Corps Civil Assist found the field artillery brigade. Tout that artillery include M119 Hafter Infantry Brigade Compact Team and M777 Howitzer Infantry Brigade of the both Infantry Striker Brigade Compact Team, M109 Self-Propelled Howitzer Units Armored Brigade Compact Team. During the Cold War, Army Field Artillery were responsible for the service ballistic missile program including BGM-11 Redstone, which was first large ballistic missile in the US arsenal, MGM-31 Fersing and the Fersing-2 of the Army intending field long-range hypersonic weapon and has re-established larger artillery formation of like 56 Artillery Command Air Defense Artillery, MIM 104 Patriot Missile Battery, Alaska operated the 11th Defense Artillery Brigade. Air Defense Artillery response for defending geopolitical asset, providing maneuver force with the freedom to move on battlefield by deterring enemy and destroying aerial threats, missile attack and surveillance platform. Weapon employed the air defense material including FIM-92 Stinker Man portable air defense system, ANTWQ Avengers short range air defense and counter rocket artillery and mortar. 20 mm gun system. Iran Dome provides air defense against rocket artillery, mortars, missile unmanned of the aerial vehicles, while by MIM 104 Patriot cable defending the wide range of threat including aircraft, helicopter, UAV, ballistic and cruise missile of the weapon mass destruction. Terminal high altitude area defense product static critical asset conducting long range endo-exo atmospheric engagement ballistic missile using the world's largest air transferable expand radar ground based mid course of the defense's anti-ballistic missile system operated Army space missile defense and command to defend interstate homeland against the intercontinental ballistic missile attack. Major air defense artillery unit including 32nd Army Air Missile Defense Command and Army Space and Army Missile Defense Command, 100th Missile Defense Brigade. Air Defense Artillery extremely close relation with the Air Force through its Air and Missile Defense Command, Space Force through the Army Space and Missile Defense Command, given their shared missile defense in the space role. 1962 Air Defense Artillery achieved the first intercept ballistic missile which is nuclear tipped Nike Zeus and operate Nike Zeus as an anti-satellite weapon after completing successful intercept 1963. Army Aviation Distinct US from Air Force and Presidents of begun Awata Field Artillery 1942. Small spotter plan were used to spot artillery naval bombardment as well as perform operation of the few aircraft from the core of Army Aviation once US Air Force gained independence. 1983 Army created Aviation branch, first time since Air Force independence, consolidating aviation under the single organ. Mission Army Aviation find, fix and destroy enemy through the fire and maneuver and provide compact support of compact service support, coordinate operation as integral member of component and combined arms team. Major aircraft including AH-64 Apache which is serve army attack helicopter, UH-60 Black Hawk and the CH-40 Simcoe draft the cargo transport. Army Aviation also flies MU at the 1C Grey Eagle of Trode. Specialized unit within the Army Aviation 160th Special Operation Aviation Rigman Airborne Service Special Operation Unit and operate modified variant MH-60 Black Hawk and MH-7 Chinook and the MH-6 Little Bird. Army commands of US Army organs 4 major Army commands and 9 Army Service Component commands which serve the Army Component and Joint Force Land Component Commander and Unified Combatant Commands and 13 Direct Reporting Unit. US Marine Corps 24th Marine Expenditure of Unitary Marine Corps Expeditionary Simultaneous Amphibious Assault Operation. Interstate Marine Corps serve the US Armed Force, Naval and Land Force responsible executing amphibious warfare operating maritime littoral support of the US Navy. Originally established 1775. Continental Marines Marine Corps consists of regular Marine Corps, Marine Corps Reserve. Marine Corps maintain very close relationship with the US Navy sister service Department of Navy. Although Marine Corps has previously operated independent land force alongside Army, primary purpose in to serve the part of Unified Naval Service alongside Navy maritime domain. Yes, Marine Corps organized under Department of Navy which is military department under the leadership of Secretary of Navy and under the Secretary of Navy. US Marine Corps itself led by Commandant Marine Corps, Assistant Commandant of the Marine Corps, both general who are the advised Sergeant Major of the Marine Corps. Marine Corps statutory mission outlined 10 USC 5063 and originally introduced under the National Security Act 1947 with 3 primary area responsibility including seizure of the defense, advanced naval bases and other land operations, support naval campaign, developed tactics, technique and equipment used to amphibious landing force, coordination with the Army and the Air Force. Such as other duties, President or Department Defense may direct 7 specified function Marine Corps and the Chiefs defend advanced naval bases, legment and the facility subsequent joint operation, provide close air support ground force, conduct land and air operation essential to protection of naval campaign as direct, conduct complex expeditionary operation, urban littorals and other challenging environment, conduct amphibious operation including engagement, crisis response and power projection operation, assure access of Marine Corps has primary responsibility for developing amphibious doctrine, tactics, technique and equipment, conduct security and stability operation and assist initial establishment of military government, bending transfer responsibility other authorities, private security detachment and unit service armed vessel, Navy private production naval property and naval station bases provide the security design and US embassies and consult of perform and other such as duty. President and Sir Defense may direct the additional duties may not be detract from the interfere with the operation which is Marine Corps primarily organs, Marine Corps Security Force regiment responsible supporting Navy with the Marine Security Operation, while Marine Security Guard product emphasis consultants units at Department State. Fleet Marine Force, Compact Power Marine Corps, Centralized Fleet Marine Corps, FMF itself organs Fleet Marine Corps Atlantic Force, support to US Navy, Fleet Force Command, Fleet Marine Corps Pacific with the support of US Navy, US Pacific Fleet, Basic Marine Corps Unit conducting Operation Marine Air Ground Task Force, MAGTF which combine Marine Corps and Navy Land Air Sea Cyber Space Capability and Single Commandant. There are the 3 different chiefs variant of Marine Ground Task Force but each consists of command element, ground compact element, aviation compact element, logistic compact element, marine ground compact element, GCE centered armored marine infantry typically armed with M27 infantry automatic rifle. Army Marine Corps does not train their own combat medic, relying on Navy to provide hospital corpsman. There are infantry unit are supported Marine Corps combat engineer who conduct engineer reconnaissance obstacle system, impleachment and breaching operation. Marine Corps force reconnaissance team will be Marine Corps no longer operate one tanks operating requires support from Army need to maintain light armor reconnaissance battalion which operate LAV 25 amphibious armor reconnaissance vehicle, assault amphibian battalion operate assault amphibious vehicle and amphibious compact vehicle which is enable ground compact element to conduct amphibious landing operation. Marine Corps artillery operate the M777 at the M142 HIMJRS both supporting ground compact element and the Navy at sea striking enemy ships. MV-22 as the aircraft from VMX-22 taking off from the ES VAPs of the Marine Aviation Compact Element ACE. Operation Arm Marine Corps Aviation working to support the ground compact element F-35B lighting to AVB-8B Harrier 2 are flown by a Navy amphibious assault rifles ships under the F-35 lighting to FA-18 Hornet flown the Navy carriers Marine Corps pilot. Marine Corps also operate KC-130J service tanker tactical airlift platform UH-1Y Vena helicopter provide Marine Corps light transport and attack while AH-1Z Viper dedicated attack helicopter medium life squadron fly MV-22 while heavily squadron SCH-53K King Stalin. Marine Corps also began flying unmanned aerial vehicles such as MQ-9 Reaper, MQ-8 Fire Scout. Notably, aviation compact element include low altitude air defense battalion which employ FIM-92 Stinker surface air missile. Smallest MAGTF Marine Expeditionary Unit MU which is typically forward deployed Navy ships component under the Colonial Marine Expeditionary Unit consists of 2,200 Marine Speed across battalion landing team, ground compact element, composite helicopter squadron, aviation compact element, compact legislative element, Marine Expeditionary Unit has supplied 15 days forward deployed Marine Expeditionary Unit are often embarked Navy amphibious assault ships as part of amphibious ready group. Next sized MAGDF Marine Expeditionary Brigade MGP which are organ specific mission of Commandant Brigadier General. Mariner Expeditionary Brigade consists of 4,000 to 1,600 Marine across the regimental sized ground compact element Marine aircraft group compact legislative regiment. Marine Expeditionary Brigade supplied 30 days and offer increased firepower, air power for the Marine Expeditionary Unit. Largest MAGTF Marine Expeditionary Force MEF which is primary war fighting force, larger operation Marine Expeditionary Force commanded by Lieutenant General consists of 46,000 to 90,000 Marine. Currently there are only 3 Marine Expeditionary Force, each one Marine Division, Marine Aircraft Wing, Marine Legislative Group, Marine Expeditionary Force, Information Group, Marine Expeditionary Force supplied 60 days. Certain element held Marine Expeditionary Force level such as Force Reconnaissance MEP Information Group MIG also provides number of functions such as intelligent battalion, radio battalion which is conduct signal intelligence, electronic warfare, cyberspace operation, communication battalion, MEF support battalion, air naval gunfire liaison company. While not MAGDF, Marine Corps has begun reorganize some regiment into Marine Littoral Regiments of the which are similar size Marine Expeditionary Unit. Marine Littoral Regiment self-deployed force of designed by Naval Nature and operate littoral region of the Marine Littoral Regiment consists of Littoral Compact Team, Littoral Anti-Air Battalion, Compact Logistic Battalion, Marine Littoral Regiment, no aviation compact element like Marine Expeditionary Unit. Another Marine Corps element does not function part of MAGDF. Marine Raider Regiment function under the United States Marine Corps Special Operation Command. Marine Raider specialized special direct action of unconventional warfare, maritime interdiction, special reconnaissance, foreign internal defense, counter-terrorism and counter-insurgency mission. Marine Corps commands under headquarters Marine Corps organized into Fleet Marine Corps of the Special Unit of Multiple Command Marine Corps Service Command Unified Command US Navy USS John C. Stennis CVN-74 and US Ronald Reagan CVN-76 conducting dual carrier strike group operation as part of Interstate 7th Fleet. Interstate Navy ESN Interstate Armed Force Maritime Force originally established 1775 Continental Navy. US Navy consists of regular Navy and Navy Reserve. Navy is unified state of principal maritime service responsible for maritime warfare operation. US Navy are organized under Department Navy, which is military department, under the leadership of Secretary Navy and under the Secretary of Navy. US Navy itself led by Chief Naval Operation and Vice Chief of Naval Operation, both admiral who are advised Master of Chief Petty Officer of Navy. 5 enduring function of Navy: sea control, power projection, deterrence, maritime security, sea lift. USS Vicksburg CG-69, USS Roosevelt DDG-80, USS Carney DDG-64 and USS the Sullivan DDG-68 launching coordinate missile volley. 9 specific tasks of Navy: conduct offensive and defensive operation associated with the maritime domain, including achieving maintain sea control to including subsurface, surface, land, air space and cyberspace, providing power projection through the sea-based globe strike of the including nuclear and conventional capabilities, interdiction and interception of capability, maritime and littoral fires including naval surface fire and close air support of ground force. Conducting ballistic missile defense is executed through Navy Ballistic Missile Defense System, Aegis Ballistic Missile. Conduct ocean hydro river survey and reconstruction. Conduct river in operation. These conducted by Maritime Expeditionary Security Force, Naval Special Warfare Command. Establish, maintain and defend sea-based support, naval, amphibious, land, ARR, other joint operation of directed. Provide naval expenditure, logistic enhance, deployed, sustained and redeployment naval force and other force operating within the maritime domain to include joint sea-based, private sea transport, armed force other than which is organic, individual military service, interstate specific operation command, interstate cyber command, conducted by Navy Expeditionary Logistic Support Group and Military Sea Lift Command. Provides support for joint space operation, enhance naval operation coordination with other military service, primarily interstate space for companion command, primary interstate space command. US government and agency US Navy space operation are conducted by Navy Space Command. Conduct nuclear operations supported by strategic deterrence including providing maintain nuclear security and capabilities. Naval Surface Force Stealth Destroyer USS Zumwalt DDG-1000 alongside US Independent LCS-2 Naval Surface Force NAVSURFOR backbone of US Navy compact for conducting surface warfare operation and operating fleet compact surface ship. Naval Surface Force operate 11 nuclear power aircraft carrier CVN split between Nimitz class nuclear Arleigh class guided missile destroyer and the Zumwalt class stealth guided missile destroyer. Cruiser and destroyer often operate the part of larger formation. They are safe escort for anti-aircraft, anti-submarine operation, but also are able to conduct sea control and striker operation Azure with the Tomahawk cruise missile. Navy also operate complement smaller Freedom class and Independent class littoral compact ship LCS and the modularly reconfigured specific mission set by having locked frigate of since Oliver Hazard Berry class was the decommissioned Navy and the process of the acquiring new Constellation class of guided missile frigates. Finally, naval officer forces operate 31 amphibious warfare ships, support fleets Marine Corps, the Embarked Marine Air Ground Task Force part of amphibious ready for expeditionary strike group, include America class landing helicopter Russell LHA ship which are carry US Marine Corps F-35B lighting fighter helicopter and Wasp class landing helicopter Dock LHD ship which can carry both F-35 fighters helicopter and landing craft. These are addition San Antonio class amphibious transfer dock and Whistler Island class and Harper Ferry class dock landing ships. Naval Submarine Force NAVSUB FOR often referred the silent service of consisting 68 commissioned submarine Los Angeles class, Seawolf class and Virginia class. Nuclear power attack submarine capable performing sea control mission destroying enemy submarine surface ships conducting survey and reconnaissance perform irregular warfare covert troop insertion mine and anti-mine operation land attack mission Dombar cruise and missiles. Ohio class nuclear powered ballistic missile submarine SSBN have soul of missile being launched perform nuclear submarine launched ballistic missile SLBM. Each carries 20 UGM-133 trained to SLBMs. Navy currently in the process procuring Columbia class SSBN replace the Ohio class Some Ohio class submarine have been converted cruise missile submarine SSCN capable carrying 154 Tomahawk cruise missile and deploying 66 special operation for personnel such Navy SEALs. FA by 18F Super Hornet from VX 23 flies over US Gerald R. 4 C-188 Naval Air Force NAVI FOR is the Navy Naval Aviation Arm Center Arm Carrier Air Wing Core Carrier Air Wing Naval Air Force Strike Fighter Squadron VFA which fly F-35C Lightning Stellar Fight FA-18E F Super Hornet, a variant FA-18 EA-18G Growler electronic warfare aircraft flown electronic cut squad VF of carry land bases. U-2 Hawkeye provide carrier with airborne early warning, command and control while C-2A Greyhound keep carrier separate. CME-22B Osprey currently process replacing TC-2 Greyhound carrier resupply. Naval Air Force also operate MGS-60 at the Seahawk for anti-submarine warfare, anti-ship warfare, search and rescue operation. MH-53 primarily used anti-mine warfare but can also use assault support. Although primarily center carrier, Naval Air Force operates small number of land-based aircraft include P-3C Orion and P-8A Poseidon which conduct anti-submarine warfare operation and serve maritime patrol aircraft alongside unmanned MQ-4C Trident. E-6 Mercury also flown. Navy communicate instruction to US Strategic Force. Navy commands US Navy organs 8 Navy component command which command Operational Force and serve Joint Force of Maritime Component commands 15 Shore Command and which support Fleet Operating Force 5 System Command which oversees technical requirements of Navy and 9 type of command which administrative manage unities certain type include appropriate and missile defense gain maintain super and air supremacy required enable to conduct the operation. US Allied Land, Sea, Air, Space and Special Operation Force conduct global precision attack to include strategic attack, introduction, close air, support to promote global strike, provide timely global integrated intelligence.